In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can create a group on Messenger. Creating a group on Messenger is crucial for efficient communication, collaboration, and community building. It centralizes discussions, facilitates sharing of updates. It's essential for event planning, support networks, and maintaining connections among like-minded individuals. To do this, simply head into your Messenger. On your chat page, you will have to tap on this note icon on your upper right corner of the screen. Select on this first option OG, create a new group. Scroll through all your friends and select on who you wish to add into your group. If you don't see anyone yet you also wish to add them to your group, simply use the search bar to find them when you enter their username. Tap on create and your group will get created successfully. That's how easy it is to create a new group on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.